where all I need to do is focus on increasing my alpha and increasing my return on my portfolio. So while it looks simple, keep coming back and you'll see how hard I go at this every single day, because it's not simple. It's just not. All right, so I'm gonna give this a try, and then, okay, it might be optimizing now. I think it's optimizing. So Kool-Aid says a strategy can be making trades off indicators such as the RSI, as if RSI is less than 40, MACD is green, histogram, EMA shoreline above long line, super trend is green, and sell if the holding profit reached 10%. Can I do that? Yes. It's not super basic, bro. The thing is like everybody wants to get like, everybody thinks that everybody's like the quants out there are doing like these intricate strategies, and they're just not. They're not. Like some are using some deep math, but at the end of the day, like it doesn't matter if it's intricate, simple, or anything. Don't get discouraged, bro. Like what you just described to me was, let's see, 1, 2, 3 indicators, and there's a lot of working strategies out there that use just 3 variables like that. Maybe not those exact ones, I can't tell you, but now it's on you, because you have beautiful ideas. Clearly, it's on you to backtest to see if it actually worked in the past. If it worked in the past, it's not guaranteed to work in the future, but it's much more likely. So you can see we're optimizing this strategy now. So I'm just letting it run. So Kool-Aid from Twitch says, I just want to make a bot that will trade automatically, and that's better than trading myself, as emotion can hinder my ability to realize gains or be patient for a better entry. Yeah, bro, it's the same for everybody. You're good. Don't worry about it, dude. You're going to be great at this. You have the same problem most people have. It's the whole reason I started automating my trading was because emotion got the best of me. And you don't take profit. You don't take profit on winners, and you don't respect your stop loss on losers. That's just it. That's it. Okay, look at this. So this one has a 400% return. What I like about this though is I know this is lower than the buy and hold, but you don't have the risk of buy and hold. It's only 21% exposure time. So depending on what my portfolio is looking for at the time, I might run this over something. So I think this is interesting to show. I know it's less than buy and hold, and there's going to be trolls out there like, oh, you could just buy and hold. Okay, but can you pick dog with hat is the question. Can you pick the winner? That's the question. So I think this is a solid strategy. I mean, obviously it's not the one. This is not the one for me, but it's interesting to see. I want to go ahead and test it on a couple other data sources. So here, had 161 trades. It's a good amount of trades. What was the optimized? Okay, so it didn't print out the optimizations. Profit factor 1.37. Okay. I want to make sure that it prints out the optimizations as well. Please make sure the code prints out the optimizations as well, so we know which variables of stop loss and take profit to use. Okay. Just asking for that because I want it. I want to be. I want it. And then I'm going to switch it over to a new data set. Okay, so here, this is one here. It's another winner, but it's less than what we started with here today. But that's because we put in a stop loss, and you can see how dramatically it changes things. I think it's cool. I think it's cool to see that. Okay, I'm gonna try this one out with a new data set. This one's for whiff here, but whiff is very for survivorship bias prone. So let's go ahead and try this new code out first. Paste it in there, okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and change out the data. Let's do INJ. Let's just go straight down the list, dude. Daily, copy path, hourly, copy path, okay. Nice. Ooh, this one's down bad. I mean, off the original, so you can see how a stop loss changes things. Just a little change like that. So let's have this optimized here and see if it can get better than this. See if we can get better than this. Hey, Ron Noodles, what's up, bro? I just saw your message come through. And I'm sorry that you're having a problem getting the boot camp. Boot camp is going to show you step by step how to automate your trading. It sounds like you had a problem with your card. Yeah, shoot us an email. It sounds like you shot us an email already, so we can get that handled. You can use crypto if you want, stable coins, or try a different card. Sometimes it just blocks people depending on the location or things like that. You know, it's through Stripe, so Stripe blocks people here and there. So I'm over here live on Twitch if you have any questions, comments, or love. Let's go ahead here and see what's going on with the market here. Coinbase is up now. Wow, that was a good dip buy for whoever is an intraday trader. Same with Sol. I mean, Tesla. Tesla, Sol, same day. Okay, here we go. So this one is 39 trades. 201% is the best. Yo, this is good. I like it. Max drawdown, Sortino. The Sharp's not great, but Sharp's never really that great in crypto. So welcome. Average drawdown here. Okay, that's not bad. Max drawdown, 40%. It's not great, but it arose. That didn't work. Um, I got this error. This is great, though. This is really good. Return, 200%. Buy and hold is 71%. Exposure time is 30%. Like, this is a good backtest. It's actually better than the one I showed you earlier. This backtest is great. Like the 2,000, 20,000% return, but it had 90% exposure time. So that's why, like, there's just so many ways to slice this pie and so many ways to attack this market. So for me, I like this one better. But I showed you the 21,000% return at the start, so maybe you like that one better, you know? Just depends on what you're shooting for. I like low exposure time. If you want better than buy and hold, then it's like, okay, just use that other one then. I don't know if it works in the future, but we'll see, because we're going to build that. Every single day I build more. Every single day. I'm not stopping. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry at all because I love this stuff. So let's go ahead here and print that out again. I want to go to my Where do I want to go? Let's check my GitHub. It's just my optimizer is not playing nicely here, so it's not playing nicely. Let's go. Just see all my repos. I share all the code or a lot of code in the bootcamp. So if you're looking for that, that's there. Business data, trading algos by Munda. That's probably it. Stat arb, trading bots, breakout, wick algo. Yeah, we built a lot, dude. Okay, let's see this. Here's an example. Please update the above code to follow this working optimization process. So GitHub is sick, actually. So, I know a lot of people don't use GitHub. A lot of people do, of course. Most people do. Well, not most people, but I've been talking to some people, and it's like not everybody has been onboarded to GitHub. I'm not fully onboarded either, dude. So don't worry. Breakout backtest. Optimize, take profit, range between 3 and 21. Thank you, sir. This is exactly what we wanted. This is how we want to see it. Okay, this is great. Okay, I don't want this anymore, though. I don't want that sharpened drawdown. Remove that results part. Move that results, that stats part, because it's not working, B. Okay, I like this strategy though. 161 trades. It's trading on INJ. Okay, this is good. This is solid. I mean, I'm not giving I'm never giving recommendations because I have no clue what your risk tolerance is. I'm never gonna give you a bot. I'm sorry. I'm not. I give examples here so you can see how you build your strategy into a bot. The bootcamp shows all that. I hold your hand through this entire process, dude. I couldn't make it easier for you, but I'm not gonna I'm not gonna spoon feed anybody around here. I don't want those type of people around me at all. It makes me sick, B. It makes me sick. I hate those people with a passion that come to me every single day and they're like, "Yo, Moondev, what bot should I run? Or what strategy? What optimization? What's the exact strategy you would run? What's the best risk reward?" Like, get out of my life, dog. If you ain't working, I ain't fucking with you at all. Sorry, it is what it is. I'm not messing with you at all if you're not putting the work in. I have so many lazy people come to me every single day. They're like, "What's the best strategy? What's the best bot to run?" It's like, get the F out of here. You ain't in the game. You ain't in the game. You're never going to make it in the game. I'm sorry. I love you, but get the F out of here, dog. I think this is what FS Trent from Twitch was saying here. You can see there's like drawdowns that are bigger than 20%. How does that happen when we have a stop loss of 20%? Well, it's probably looking at the daily at some point. Hey, Caribbean bro, where you from, dog? I go live every day. I go live every day. What API do I use to control your wallets to execute orders? Web3 Python library. This one I'm using Jupyter. Jupyter API. Jupyter API. So glad you're here, dude. Great questions. Great questions. Keep the good questions coming in, my guy. I'm from the UK, but my background is Jamaica. That's dope, dude. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad that I started going earlier because I know the UK time is it's a little different than this East Coast time. So I was on the West for a little bit. Okay, I desperately need the data. Okay, what am I looking for is the question. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the best parameters here. Um, so this strategy works. Okay, cool. That doesn't matter though. I want to optimize it. I want no, it does matter. It does matter, but I need to see what the optimizations were. I can't see the optimizations still. Please help. All right, let's go to backtesting.py library. Backtesting.py documentation. Yo, we got somebody else in here, bro. Caribbean. That's Jamaica. He lives in Florida. He lives in Florida. He just moved to Florida. I can't remember his name, but he's a homie as well. So we got another Jamaican up in here. So he's from Jamaica, just moved to Florida. So that's dope. We got some island boys up in here. I'm out in PR, kind of close to you. Actually, I don't know how close it is, to be honest. Kind of ignorant, but it'd be like that sometimes, though. It do. Example strategies, okay. Backtesting submodules, backtesting.lib, okay. Backtesting.test, okay. API reference documentation, okay. Backtesting.backtesting, maybe, I don't know. Let's do optimize. Backtest.optimize, okay. Optimize, perfect. This is what we want, dude. Wait, let's go ahead and put this piece of code in there. Yeah. This is it, dude. I can't believe I show all this stuff. I can't believe I show all this stuff, but it is what it is, and I'm happy to. Optimize. Let's just click optimize. Okay. Methods. Excuse me. Okay, here we go. Dude, Caribbean, you're right on, bro. That's so sick. You use it the exact same way, dog. It's every single day. Whatever idea you got, dog, it's all here now. We have ChatGPT now. This is like, I think code's a great equalizer, but dang, ChatGPT low key is as well, especially if you know how to code. Here is the documentation to backtesting.py. Please update based on that. So I feel unstoppable. Like yesterday, we were building machine learning models that were over my head, but we have ChatGPT now in order to help us along the way. Caribbean says ChatGPT is the new Google, pretty much. Yeah, I don't even use Google anymore. I don't use Stack Overflow anymore either. I love it. I hated Stack Overflow. Yo, Condern, we got a new newbie over here on Twitch. Welcome to the dark side. This is the right side though. This is the right side because it makes sure everybody's on a good vibe. You got to be on a good vibe over here to get on Twitch, and it's super easy to block people, which is so nice, and we never have to see them again. So I'm so happy that you're here. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're a true builder here, you will be on the Twitch side. If you're on the YouTube side, you're just trialing it out, seeing if you F with me, seeing if you F with the topic. I'm building every single day with or without y'all, but I have the Twitch open on my side eye so I can actually see it while I'm coding, and I see good questions. I answer good questions. YouTube, I'm sorry, B. I'm sorry, YouTube. So this is the base strategy that's not very good, but the optimization looked really good. So I'm glad you're here, Condern. You need to add a Dono link, Twitch or on YouTube, or Dono wallet address. Appreciate your answers. Can I enroll in the bootcamp and complete it at my own pace? Absolutely. 777. The bootcamp is 100% at your own pace, but you're part of the family forever. So the bootcamp shows you step by step how to automate your trading. Go ahead and watch that video. There's a link in the description. This is all the content, and it's all self-serve. You get it all immediately, and you get to watch it at your speed. Doesn't matter how long you take or how short it goes. Doesn't matter. uh, it's all there. You have access to it forever. You get all the code. There's a bunch of bonuses. You get expert help, so we're here to help you the entire way. The way I looked at this was like I needed to learn how to code, and I tried to learn how to code building apps and stuff, and it was just boring. But I actually had cash on the line that I wanted to grow, so I learned how to code to automate my trading. And worst case scenario, like the average developer in the US is making 100K per year. So like I was like, okay, I can take a little bit of time to learn how to code, and worst case scenario, I could get a job. Laughable because I would never get a job, but it was a nice little backup to me. It was like, okay, I want to automate my trading. And you can see this still flopped. Anyways, it was good risk reward, if you ask me. So the bootcamp's 69 bucks. So if that's too much for you, I'm sorry, dude. Okay, so here, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this code here because I want to see maybe backtesting.py changed things a little bit. Here, let's first get this in there. Because this is great. It optimized, but do you see the problem I'm running into? I need to see what numbers it optimized with. You know? Like, okay, you optimize to find a better strategy. It's 406% return. Still buy and hold. BT optimization. Oh, it switched it back to whiff, by the way. That's why. I was like, what the heck? But I need to see the data on the back end. It changed it back to whiff. That's fine. We know that INJ they're both profitable, but whiff has been going like crazy. So it's like a little biased, you know? I would rather trade something that is not as crazy. So I switched it to INJ, but it switched it back, and that's okay for now. I'm just trying to get this optimizer to work. And while I do that, while I work with GPT to get it to work, okay, you can see this. Okay, copy paste. I'm just gonna go in this circle here, and that's okay, because time is irrelevant, dude. It's literally not here. It's not real. It's not real, dude. So let's go here and say this is 528 test bt.py. Are you live? Are you live right now? Well, I'm showing you the date so you can know. Am I live right now? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you saw it later. Maybe you're late to the show. That's okay. You're not too late. You can see the date, B. Okay, let's go over here and copy this backtest in. Okay. I need to get this data here. And what is that on the 15-minute? Okay, let's get some 15-minute data so it kind of matches. We'll see here. Copy path. Okay. I'm going to go ahead. This is a new backtest. And why am I doing this new backtest? Because for some reason, I can't get the results. I need the performance metrics. Results. Optimization results. Man. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to figure this out. I can also look through here. Google SMA cross is 93%. Return percentage 419. Buy and hold is 703. Oh, TP%. Bro, come on, dog. Come on, bro. Come on, let's try this one. Time fudge. Set index to time. What does this actually say? This says timestamp. Let's go here. Test. Okay. But this is all gonna be crazy. Dot close. Oh man. Oh man, this is gonna be tough. No, it's not gonna be that tough. Drop the last 2 columns of data. Okay, let's do that first. Okay, it's dropped. And then we want to rename the columns to, oh, it says capitalized there. Perfect. It's my work. Time, where's time? Time stamp, I believe. Yep. Okay. Access -3 is out of range. Okay. Line 15. These orders are flying. Let's read through this. Backtest a particular parameterized strategy on particular data upon initialization. Call backtest.run to run or backtest.optimize. Optimize strategy parameters. Return optimization. Come on, blood. It's right there. It's right there. I could have sworn I sent it to you. I could have sworn I sent it to you, but maybe not. True, cabron. True. I want all that. I want all that with cheese. With cheese, B. With cheese. I'm a noob, so let's go ahead here. Below, I keep getting errors trying to print out the optimizations. Here is the documentation to follow in order to return the heat map and optimizations. Okay. Okay. Update. The below code. Now you know how to optimize and output the heat map and K. And what, B? And what? And what, dog? And what? And optimizations. Okay. All right, let's see what she can do this time. I'll check the chat every once in a while at Moondev. No need to tag me, my dude, my boy, my boy. No need. I got you. I got you. I just be coming back and forth. I can't code and talk at the same time, unfortunately. But someday I will be able to. But for now, I'm gonna respond to all messages anytime that I see AI outputting things. I didn't know that you had a boot camp. How many videos do you have? I got 9,000 videos on YouTube. The boot camp is all the videos are listed here, or the trainings at least. Sometimes there's more videos, but it's all listed here in the link below. Yo, it's great to see you, dog. Great to see you. Caribbean. I'm glad you're a Jamaican boy living out in the UK. That's good to hear. I'll see you around, all right? Appreciate you. And yeah, much love. 777. I'm excited, dude. I'm excited to see you back. He says he'll be back on Twitch. Appreciate you, my guy. Have a beautiful evening. I guess it's evening time over there, so stay good, B. Seaborn. Do we have Seaborn? I think we do, but let's double check, dude. Already. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Caribbean. All right, let's go ahead here and say this new code here. Okay, let's see if it did. Based on your requests and documentation backtesting, right here's the corrected code to ensure the proper optimizations. If you show me that one more time, dog, it's still showing me that. That's sad. That's sad. A sad B. All right, let's check it out. Again, this is the bad one that we haven't optimized yet, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get it going, dude. Every single day, we're getting closer and closer to our big things. I just keep stacking the alpha every single day because every single day is a new day, dude. And every single day I can work on this. Shoot, you can see it at least. I don't know if it's going to be helpful for you, but let's see. Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do too, dude. I'm curious. Looks like we got some liquidations here on whiff, which is crazy because it's long and short liquidations. So let's check it out. That always tickles my tummy when I see a long liquidation and then a short liquidation. That means people are gambling. Pretty much. Yeah, you can see somebody's shorting down here. Or shorting like here. Red bar short. Oh, I see a red bar. I'm going to short it. That's who you're trading against. So that's why I keep all this up here so we can see the kind of gamblers that we're trading against. I spend my time here with the code because for me, this trading thing's not easier either. So it's not easy for any human to go against your emotions. So I just pull myself away from it. And I spend my time backtesting and finding algorithms that work in the past. Now, of course, if they work in the past, it's not guaranteed to work in the future. TP%. Print parameters, ops, stats. Yo, how did we used to see this? I feel like it used to be right here. All right, I'm gonna look through some of my GitHub again because I feel like it used to be so clear how we used to get the what you would call it, the optimization stats. I'm not about to optimize this by hand. I'm sorry. Where did it go? Where did it go? I'm gonna return or stop printing all of this. Heat map, pivot table. Let's stop printing this stuff because that is just throwing errors. I also want to stop printing this. I want to stop printing this. And I want to stop printing this. Okay. We're good. This is perfect timing, B. I'm glad you're here. Okay, now it's doing the testing, the optimizing. Let's go scroll through these to see if there's any new tokens here that look interesting. These are all the new launches and the top volumes. So this is top volume. Dang, Pepe Trump called that out yesterday. Actually, no, this is a different one. This is a different one. See, this is the tricky part of this. This is the tricky part of this game is people are dropping so many tokens. Scroll through if anything else. Rich. Zach. Shark Cat. Beer. It's called B. It's called. All right, so I'm low key stuck on this part because I need to see. Okay, I see it optimized, but what is the optimization? What are the metrics? And I just keep getting these errors. I'm gonna take a little 5 minutes here, get everything, get my thoughts together, and take a little break, get some water and stuff. But I'll be answering every single question that comes through Twitch every single day. Oh, look at this. We got a new first timer over here on Twitch. What up, dude? Ty Realist. Yeah. Ty Realist. What up, bro? He says, where do you get your liquidation data from? This is from Binance API, the WebSocket. So that's showing all the liquidation data. This is my sniper. This use Bird Eye. It's 200 a month for Bird Eye. The Binance stuff is free. Thank you. This is also using Bird Eye to see the top tokens. I'll be back in like a few. So we're gonna figure the rest of this out here. When I come right back, get some water, take a bathroom break, do your thug thizzle, and we'll be back. that idea I just had, so I'm just gonna write it down real quick. I want to measure chats per hour. Ideas equals chats per hour. Like, you got all your chats, whatever. Discord, Twitch. No. The chats I'm really talking about are like on your phone. Sorry, I was looking at Twitch. Measuring chats per hour is an indicator of where we're at. I just know that like it's crazy. Like on up days, my text, and this is crypto people, of course. Text, WhatsApp, and Telegram are popping, and on down days, they are silent. There's got to be some sort of API that we can measure chats. I don't know though. That's the thing. That's the tricky part. Is can we get a Telegram API? Yes, I believe. WhatsApp? I don't know. iMessage? Probably not. But that's an interesting indicator when it comes to trading. Because if the chats per hour or minute are like, probably hour or 4 hours, probably 4 hours per 4 hours, it can tell you the daily regime. Like it's kind of like reading the emotions, that's just whatever. My thoughts don't really matter that much. I'm just building and seeing what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead here and say Kool-Aid from Twitch says I already got a 21,000% ROI by just tuning into your streams. Joining the dark side was worth it. 777. Appreciate everybody here. Appreciate you. Sam the one. Sorry for the delay there, but getting re-upped with energy water. And anyways, the question seems to be, should I learn a bunch of Python before joining your bootcamp? And no, you don't have to, dude. You can. I show you how to code in Python. Damn, this Pepe thing, this Pepe Trump, going crazy. We saw it yesterday, I think, but maybe it was a different one. Okay, so, ooh, nice little pullback here. See what's going on with the big boys here. The video is going crazy. That's wild. But no, I teach how to code in Python here in the bootcamp. 3-hour training. If you're brand new, I'd watch it twice. Shoot, I might even watch it 3 times. But set your own speed, so do it when you want to. And then, there's great books I recommend in the bootcamp to teach you how to code in Python as well. I think it's important to learn from multiple different sources, but to be honest, the coding in Python part, that's all free on YouTube from everybody. There's so many different cool personalities of developers that are teaching how to code in Python. So, just type in Python, learn Python, and that would be cool. I would do it at the same time. Go through the bootcamp, and this should teach you Python enough to know Python for algo trading. That's why I like it personally. I like learning this way. But either way, do both. When in doubt, do both, is what I'd say. It's like I teach how to code in Python, so you'll know how to code by the end of the bootcamp. And if you get to like day 3 or 4 and you're still rusty on it, or like still not fully understanding it, I would watch this video a couple times. And I just teach the stuff that in Python that's needed. Like I don't like school too much for learning code. I mean, it's great if you can afford to go to school and all that good stuff for college and Python, but it's more drawn out and you learn more theory. I don't know what I don't know though, right? So I'm focused on algo trading and automating my trading and finding alpha in the market. So I have a unique set of Python skills, and that's what I focus on every day. So yes, to answer your question, in the bootcamp, yes, I teach you how to code in Python, but just remember that it's from a bias of, hey, I'm trying to build bots. I'm trying to build backtests. So that's good and bad. I mean, it just depends where you're trying to go with your Python. So that's that. Hope that answered your question for you. All right, so we're still working on this return optimization's true thing, but what I want to do here is go through and see if I can find a difference in one of my GitHubs, because right now we can see here, and I'm starting to feel like it was just part of they like deprecated something. Heat map. Okay, heat map is what we need, dude. So heat map, take profit. Okay, heat map columns, take profit to stop loss. What if I didn't have the columns there? Okay, this is the original before optimization. That one doesn't matter. I mean, it matters, but it doesn't matter too much. Oh, I can't get into it. I gotta be logged into my GitHub. Okay, am I? Oh, snap. I think I didn't answer any of that. Oh, I did. Okay. I was like, did I not turn my mic back on? That would have been funny, but I did. So I've got all of these algos here. A lot of backtests. A few months ago. High-low breakout. 611% return. ADX indicator. Okay. Optimize. I will use I'm looking for the optimizations. Fudge me. Oh, it's because I still have it here. Fudge. I'm just gonna print heat map. How about that? Cause she's tripping, to be honest. I don't need matplotlib or none of that. I don't know why I'm even listening to her. Sometimes I get too reliant on AI, you know? And that's gonna happen is like, oh yeah, oh, you got a brain too though, bro. You got a brain too. There's a neural network in there. It's for real. For real, for real. Okay, I'm just looking to see if there's any, just some back tests with optimization in here. Optimization results. You can see here. I just print the optimization results. Okay, the results. That. Maybe it's because I have double results. Yeah, maybe that's it. I think I'm gonna get rid of these stats here. Well, let's do one thing at a time, one thing at a time. I'm gonna let this one be finished, and then I'm gonna, maybe the error is coming because I run it twice, right? Yeah, that's gotta be it. That's gotta be it. And it's not showing me the exact optimization. So it's nice to have the optimized results here. And that's cool, but I need to know, like, okay, what's the take profit? What's the stop loss? Or else it's not really, it doesn't do anything for me. You know what I'm saying, dog? Okay, this one didn't do it, and that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and first off, I'm just gonna get rid of all this stuff, delete it. I don't even want it in here anymore. I don't even want it anymore. Let's say bt.run. I'm looking at this one now because we got optimized here. bt.backtest. I think I'm gonna delete all that. Whoa, peace. Then we have the opt stats, the heat map. We're doing a range. We're looking at equity final. Can you see this? Yeah, you can see this, right? Fold it over a little bit. df.drop what? Empty. Okay, df.optimize. Come on, blood. You got a big old screen. You got a TV sitting here. I can't believe I left this place. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be back. Sometimes you gotta go do real life things. At least we got the bots rolling B. That's a good thing, but I really like to make forward progress, so I know we've been streaming. I know we've been going. We keep going every single day. It's just once you're in your environment, I feel like things get amplified big time. Back, B. I'm back. I know I never left, but you know how that is. All right, so we got the back test going in, the results. We called ours results instead of back test, and we're passing in. Maybe that's why, my guy. What is this? PT.run. That's not the right one. Okay, so we're doing the back test here. Back test. Okay. Passing in the cache. Okay. Perfect. Optimization results right here. We have heat map as true, returning heat map. Okay. What is this? I see. I need to read stuff, bro. It says run the backtest again with best parameters. I don't want that at all. Come on, cuz. That's me. That's me. That's my bad. It's all good though. We're here. You're here at the perfect time because I will go ahead and make little simple errors over and over again. So I'm just a human, dude. I'm just a human just like you. And I love it because I thought people were wizards in this industry. Just like me and you, dude. They just worked a little bit harder. Maybe not even harder, just worked at like, oh, maybe there is a chance that I can automate my trading. You know what I'm saying? Got a better mentality, maybe. I don't know. 777 to everybody in the chat. I'm here live on the Twitch. Here, let's keep going through these. Well, it's about to be done. Yeah, let's keep going. I want to see what the new token, what the top volume is. It's top volume here on Solana for the day, for the last hour actually. So it's a little better in my opinion. These are new launches here. Oh my god, this is a. Oh, it's like duplicate. Okay. Um, here's the peak here, or the equity curve. You can see. I guess you can see the whole thing. There we go. This is it, dude. This is what I was looking for, the take profit and the stop loss. Took a little bit of time, but it's okay. Passing list for formats at date time was deprecated in bokeh 3. Okay, so that wasn't even our real backtest, so. Oh my goodness. Hide all warnings. Just want to get these out of here, you know? Is that the right thing to do? Probably not. So you can see this one had a return of 406%. It kind of looks the same, to be honest. What did we print down here? So we printed the optimization stats and the heat map. Okay, it is what it is. It looks like it came out with the same results. With a 3% stop loss. 3 and 20. No, 3 and 3. Or 20 and 16. 21, 23,000. Wait a minute. 95,000. Shows 100,000. Some fishy's going on here. Cause this says 23,000 here. Did it lose money maybe? No, the return is 406%. Final equity, peak equity is that. All right, this is the final equity, 506,000. Oh, this is percentage. Okay, got it. Sorry. I was like tripping. Wait, is it percentage? $163,000. Can you describe this heat map for me? Can you describe this heat map for me? Represents the stop loss ranging from 3 to 20%. Y-axis represents the take profit percentage between 3 and 20%. Each cell in the heat map corresponds to a combination of take profit and stop loss percentages. But what is this number? Because used to be the final amount, but 23,114 is much lower than the peak or the final equity. So the value within each cell indicates equity final, which is the final equity achieved by the strategy using a respective take profit and stop loss combination. I mean, that's a big difference, B. For example, in the top left corner, combination of 3 and 3. So this is, I'm thinking correctly here. That's why I'm tripping. It's because whatever. Equals 23,144. As you move to different cells, the equity final values change based on the different combinations of take profit and stop loss. The heat map suggests that as both take profit and stop loss increase, the equity final tends to increase, indicating that certain higher combinations of take profit and stop loss indicate better yielding results. The best equity final observed is 212. For the combination of take profit equals 19. No, dude, where does that say 19 be? And stop loss, it says 20 and 19. 212, that's okay. The highest equity final are concatenated together. Okay, so there's just some sort of error here, and I'm gonna try to explain it. to GPT, which will inherently explain it to you. So above is my code that produced the below the attached backtest results. Please let me know why the heat map shows best 212 375 when the stats show $406. Yo, and then also, oh, I guess this is annualized. It's more time. That's right, because this isn't